Namaste. How's it going? You can practice this combination of breathing patterns after your asana practice to level off the energy, to cool the body down, and to relax the mind, leading to your meditation if you're doing one. So this will be a combination of the Ujjayi, Plavini Pranayama, as well as the Simhasana Pranayama. Good. So after your asana, of course, your body is already open, so all you need to do is to sit upright. So the first would be the Plavini, or the floating breath. Yeah, opening the mouth and like you are drawing the breath using the pattern of the Ujjayi, but utilizing your mouth. Yeah. Close the mouth and exhale through the nose. Keeping your mouth sealed, inhale through the nose, Ujjayi. Opening the mouth, light Simhasa. Good. So that's one round. All right. So Plavini, mouth breathing, exhaling, nostrils Ujjayi, inhaling Ujjayi, exhaling, mouth open to a light Simhasa Pranayama. All right, so let's do 3 repetitions or 3 rounds, okay? You can do this with the eyes closed. Good. Opening the mouth, Plavini Pranayama. Good. And your natural breath. All right. And after the practice, scoop your mouth. You scoop the excess saliva there. And then you swallow. All right. So that's a personal practice of mine. I combine the pranayamas, and that, in effect, not just balances the energetic forces inside, but somehow I blend them in a way suited for meditation. This breathing combination has this instantaneous, relaxing, calming effect with the nervous system, which